install any Windows software in your Ubuntu Linux. There is various software which you cannot find any Linux version. This software you can also install in your Linux by using Wine. Wine is not an emulator, it just gives permission to access code of Windows. Just go to Google and write install Wine. In Ubuntu. There is a various site you can search. You can get the command how can you install. The command you will find in your description. I will provide you this command in description. You have two options for Linux repository, 64-bit or 32-bit. Open your terminal by Ctrl-Alt-T and write this code: sudo apt install wine64. Just press enter. Give your password. It's call you for your permission. You press Y, press enter. This process is very easy. You can install any Windows software which is exe file or very other file. Easily you can install in Ubuntu. The process is running. Wait for a moment. Yes, it is done. Now you can see the version of Wine. That is 3.0. That means Wine is installed successfully on your Ubuntu. Now you can install any exe file or any other extension file in your Linux very easily. Example, I have an file. I will install this file on my Ubuntu. Extract here this file. Just copy its name and right click, open terminal, write Wine and Ctrl-Shift-V, paste. Press enter. Now you can see Wine is started. You can see our program are successfully open. See another example. I have another file emo8086 emulator, which is there is no version for Linux. You can copy its name and right click, open terminal, write wine and Ctrl Shift V, or write the name of the software with exe, press enter. You can see the installation process start. Click next, next, next and install. Yes, installation finish. You can launch this software. Yes, our software are successfully running in Ubuntu, which is made for Windows. Thank you for today. Subscribe my channel and like. Wait for next video.